Welcome viewer, I am Murugan S. This video tutorial describes, Fix can't be opened because it was not downloaded from the App Store. Click Apple icon, click System Preferences. Click Security and Privacy. Click General tab. Click the lock to make changes. Type your password, click Unlock. Check App Store and identify developers. Click Open anyway. Click Continue. Click Continue. Click Install. I hope this video tutorial helps to you. Please like, share and don't forget to subscribe my channel. Thank you very much. See you next video.